Hello pretties, and welcome back to the LipstickHolic's YouTube channel. I am Huda Naveed, and today I'm here with another amazing makeup tutorial for you girls. Yes, it's been a while. I haven't done any makeup tutorial videos solely. I've been doing reviews and other videos, but this one is solely a makeup tutorial. And yes, this is Eid Glam Makeup look because Eid is just around the corner. So yes, I have created this very nice bronze goldy sort of Eid makeup look for you girls. This is Eid Glam Makeup look, and yes, I'm going to share its tutorial in this video. So no more talking, let's quickly get towards the video and see how I created this look. Okay, so I have already applied my primer, and the primer I have used is Masarrat Misbah Silk Primer. For foundation, I am using Masarrat Misbah Silk Foundation in shade Fair. I am using Sigma Beauty F80 to blend the foundation. Okay, so we are done with the foundation, and I have done my brows off the camera. And for brows, I have used Masarrat Misbah Brow Palette in shade Medium. Next, I'm using Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer to prime my eyes. Okay, so now it's time for eye makeup, and for eyes I am going to use this amazing looking Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection eyeshadow palette. I had another palette which I really wanted to use for this Eid look, but then the shimmers in this palette are so beautiful, so I decided that they should be used to create an Eid look. So here I am, and this is what we are going to use for eye makeup. I'm firstly taking the shade Aloe, and I'm packing this shade on the outer and inner corner of my eyes using Sigma Beauty E38. Next, I'm taking Sigma Beauty E38, and I'm using this brush for blending the edges and corners of the shades that we applied. I'm also taking the same shade slightly above my crease area and blending it using circular motion for a nice diffused crease effect. Next, I'm taking the shade Love Note, and I'm applying this shade in the center of my lid using just my finger. Next, I'm using Sigma Beauty E45 for blending any harsh lines or edges that we have here. Now I'm taking the shade Alone once again, and I'm applying it on my lower lash line using Sigma Beauty E32. Time to pop some lashes and add some mascara. Next, I'm applying Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in shade C6. I'm using Sigma Beauty P88 to blend the concealer. Now I'm using Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder to set my foundation, makeup and concealer. If your face gets really oily, it's better to apply the powder right after applying the foundation. Now I'm taking the shade Nightlife once again from the same Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm applying it in the inner corner of my eyes and also on my brow bone. For contouring, I'm using Art Deco's Most Wanted Contouring Palette. I'm taking the first contour shade from this palette and I'm applying and blending it using Arty Contour Brush. For blusher today, I am using BH Cosmetics 10 Color Blush Palette Nude Blush, which is a lovely birthday gift from my same name buddy. Thank you for that. I'm taking this gorgeous nude shade from this palette and I'm applying and blending it using Sigma Beauty F40. Now for that Eid Glow, I am using Beauty Drama Glow Highlighter Tara. For that Eid Perfect Pout, I am using Beauty Masarrat Liquid Lipstick in shade Sidrah. Lastly, I'm using Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe, Cucumber and Green Tea to set my makeup and the look. Okay, so this Eid look is complete. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to leave your lovely kind comments, share it with your friends, and yes, most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. You'll be seeing me in another amazing video on the Lipstickholic YouTube channel right here very soon. Till then, take care, Eid Mubarak and goodbye.